I'm Rob Menzies, welcome back to my channel. As you may have noticed recently, I've recently been to a Donington track day. I thought it would be really interesting to compare, which is what we're going to do today, two track days that I've recently done at Donington Park. First track day that I did was in 2019, riding this, which is a Triumph 765 RS street bike that's been converted for track use. The second bike is the one used in 2020, which is the Kawasaki ZX636. What we're going to do is put both of these together on a similar lap and just see how amazingly close they are together. So that's what we're now going to do, and let's click on and play the lap so that you can watch it in real time with both of them together in 3, 2, 1. Go! Okay, so as we can look at it, we are basically firing down the start-finish straight, and we tip into the first corner, a bit of traffic around on both days, so just making our way past those, and then firing through to the second corner. We can already see that in 2020 we're actually a bit behind here on the Kawasaki. We did better on the Triumph, we were already ahead, we were already headed down to those corner curves. See on each one of these corners we're definitely ahead on the Triumph. You can really hear the engine scream as we head up around this one. Probably needed another gear there on the Triumph, truth be told. We did it a little bit better on the Kawasaki this time, but still didn't actually manage to catch up that much. So we've still got a bit of work to do on the Kawasaki if we're going to pull ahead. As we head into what is soon going to be the back straight, again, see Triumph is looking good and is now down to firing down this back straight in a straight line. Now, very surprisingly, this is where the Kawasaki makes up all of the ground. This is where it's really won, and actually what we can see now is the Kawasaki is ahead. So we're now on a quicker lap on the Kawasaki than we were on the Triumph. So Triumph have been winning all the way through until this point, but now running behind. Down into the Melbourne Loop, coming around the corner here. Again, we can see Kawasaki is just that little bit ahead still. As we head back onto the start-finish straight, who will make it to the line? You've guessed it, the Kawasaki just wins it.
This video is brought to you using the GoPro Hero Black 5. If you'd like to have your own, please click on my affiliate link in the description below. Please be aware any purchases made will supply me with a small commission. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and see you again for another video very, very soon.